And those are new, first subscribe our channel and click on bell button for further update, and any video we will update and you will find uh, it soon as you subscribe. And this week lesson, you learn more from failure than from success. Do not let it stop you. Failure builds character. Because in the market, when you fail a trade or loss, you take loss, then you may analyze the trade or why you fail, then you will lose. So do not let it stop you. Failures build character, and when you replace loss with learn in your vocabulary, the throw of failure become less denting and let you focus on growth. So you replace your loss with a learn, then you in your vocabulary, the throw you failure becomes less denting and let your focus on growth. Then you make good growth in your trading technology and trading. And remember, this video is educational purpose only. We will forecast next week movement of the market in our own analysis. uh, then you will put your own decision in the chart, then you can go for buy and sell, because market changing structure we see last week. Market changed the structure almost every hour of trading. And the following pairs we will uh, forecast on US index, crude, gold, euro USD, GBP USD, Euro GBP, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, USD CAD, US 500, and others. And remember, this is technical and fundamental analysis. It might be changed during the week. So do not set your mind that is going for buy or sell, because many traders are seeing forecast and they set their minds that that pair might go up and that pair might go down. So this is not the forex and this is not the trade. It's a gambling. So you go with the chart and your technical analysis. That is the called forex, not gambling. And got further analysis method statement, and it's a own created arithmetic theory with geometric analysis, because I think the chart is moved with ABCD or triangle, rectangle. It's a bulls and bear market. So in my calculation, in my own calculation, I think price move with a shape, a square, circular, triangular, the part of flat geometry. So it's my own technical analysis in my own invented. So you might have some problem to uh, uh, analyze it. You you might first know the basic of the, then you can learn the advanced level. So let's start our first pair. Uh, so we see the crude. Well, market move with, so dollar gets some strength with some vaccine hope also, and we see the last day of week index is falling, so we may find a correction around this level to 93.15 or 93.300 level. Then we find retest and visit. I think it not retest, it revisit the 91 and 90 level next week. It's my prediction. If it cross this C line and this 200 moving average, you can take big buy from there around to 95 level. But I want to buy from otherwise D level, from this D level, 90 level or 91 level, or cross 200 moving average. At present, 50 moving average at the price, the near to the price. So I expect a correction to upward around 200 moving average. Then it will pull back to D, or the other scenario we may see 200 moving average breakdown. Then we can buy for US index. Let's see crude. Well, crude we see in an harmonic pattern, a reverse from D level 43, 49 level. And I always says that crude, if you want to trade crude, it's an investment. It's kinds of investment. You have to put this investment a long time, and it's a range between 40 in from maybe it takes at the end of January to it's ranging to 43 to 37 or 35 level or 36 level. So I expect a downtrend again where this 200 moving average cross 39, then it will retest again this 37 and 35 level. Then we can say a big buy from there, and we may see a correction towards 41 again. Then we can see a drop down around because it's COVID vaccine just keeps hopes that all the production will go up, and all the demand of the oil is increasing in the world market. But Trump also announced that he will not lock down America again on his in this 1.5 month. So we may expect a movement in end of the week of this month. We may expect a big move of oil. So you can invest in oil always because you see, and you can see oil and is the ranging from there. So I think if you put a big buy around 34, 33 or 35 level and keep hold in 5 or 6 months, and around it's move around 45 or 60 50 level, then you have a double, almost double your uh, investment. So you can invest in crude. Well, gold, and I have seen some scenario on gold because I saw in news on CNB and Bloomberg there is a hope for vaccine and gold down almost 10,000 pips, 1,000 pips here. You can see this 1,000 pips down for a crude gold for vaccine hopes, and you can see this movement and try to recover and yet to cross the half of body of the this fall. So at least, and yet to cross 200 moving average, and 200 moving average come to around 1899 level. So I expect a big buy when it cross 200 moving average, then I will buy. And another scenario, I keep it, and if vaccine works, then target is 1822, about this ABCD. And if it not works, then my target is ABCD around 1952 level next week. So if vaccine works, there's my target is 1822, and if vaccine not works, then my target is my this D 1985. And I draw this ABCD with my own technical analysis of triangle arithmetical and geometrical ABCD. So you may do not have any idea to this level. It may go far, but my first target is 1950, and if the vaccine works, then dollar and euros and others getting very strong. So we will target around 1822. But we find a reverse there around B level, and then we can see this C point and around 19 level. It's a very important level for buy or sell because we see this level. So when you touch it, you may find a big move from there, either 1950 or either 1822. Well, Euro USD is moving around channel 1 and 2 last 6 months. So 1.162 one point we see around 12.20. So my target is to again fall back to around and C level 1.17600 level. Then we find our next TP1 and TP2 around 122 area. But next week we may see a mm, pullback around this, and we maybe re-enter in channel 2. Then we'll buy again for our TP1 and TP2. So we find this may correction toward 1.175 level. Then we will find our buy setup again on Euro USD, and I will not sell a day candle close below 200 moving average. Then I will sell this pair. Otherwise, I am not selling Euro USD at present. And GBP USD almost touched channel 1 and pull back from there. Channel 1's send back channel 3 for vaccine and uh, wearing no marks. So we may expect a correction around this level again. It enter again in channel 3 but again push back around 1.32. So my target area for next week to reach around 135 level 1.135 is still valid for my target. So I keep my hope for this level again. Let's see USD JPY, and USD JPY we can see this ABCD. So we may expect a correction around, and the price is between, look at that 200, look at that 250 moving average. So we find a breakout there. So if it below goes below, so I think selling is not a wise thing before 50 moving average and touches the 200 moving average. So if it fall in, then we will wait for our buy setup. I will not sell USD JPY because if it goes up for a correction, then I can sell from D, and then breakout, then I will buy big from there. So I wait for cross or touch 200 moving average for sell USD JPY. Otherwise, my target is next week for USD JPY for buy setup. AUD USD, and AUD USD, my expectation for last week that I find a fall, then I will buy, but it will go not a big fall, just a fall, then going up and again going for a fall, and price with line with the 50 moving average and above the 15 average. So I expect a D level around this D level and find a double bottom, double top. Then you will find a sell setup. So you can buy from there to D level. Then if it break out, then we will buy more. Otherwise, we will sell from this double top setup around this level, and I will give more update in my channel about this pair because we look to I have to say the USD pairs for next week, the reaction of Trump, and also their general also talking about this uh, election. So for USD pair, we have to move very carefully. Well, USD CAD, I look to see this A, B, C, D, and also the harmonic for this level. So I want to see a correction around this bar, or maybe enter re-enter this channel, then and also the touching 200 moving average and fall towards this level. And if it cross 200 moving average, then the structure is different, so you can buy from there. Otherwise I am waiting to this level price to be create a double bottom, and my structure I want to see this pair around this level, then I will buy from the from my D target. So for USD CAD guys, so we have to look around the market movement about on UK session, Monday UK session, then we'll take decision for this in our channel. USD safe, it break out this channel and went to around find a double top and pull back again. So we can see if it cross this mm 50 moving average and cross this C level, then we can sell to this level again 89, and we can buy from there again for this level. And if it cross and give a correction around to 15 200 moving average, so our target is D level. So and if it beat this lower low and this lower low to around this level, we may again buy from there and re-enter our channel. So at present setup our target is D and USD safe. So we want to see again this level, then we can again buy, sell this pair. New Zealand USD moving in this channel and bottom of this channel, and try to touch again the top of this channel. And look at the channel, we are trading this channel around 2 or 3 months. So I expect price to give a correction C level, then now my target is D level around 0.65 level. And if it touch this level again top of this 69 or 70 level, then we will give a big sell, and we can take a sell from C level, because 50 moving average also targeting this C level, and 200 moving average is far away from the price. So we expect around to this level correction, then we'll kind of find a sell setup again. So we do not enter in this buy, we will wait for a correction, then we'll sell New Zealand USD. Well, Euro New Zealand, and those guys are uh, in my Telegram channel with me, uh, t.me slash force world godfather. You can see the magic of our technical analysis, because we give signal from there and the market is nowhere from reverse, it's fall and fall, and we will take our buy from this level, and we go to almost 120 pips from this Euro New Zealand. So this is our own methodology of a geometric way. So we find we may get, and it's a I think now the shape for the head, we will find a head and shoulder pattern, then we will find this level again a correction, we will buy again from there. So we expect this level again, and price may move again up from there, or even it can fall toward this level. So we expect a buy from this level again for Euro New Zealand. And GBP the price is almost take our D, and I expect it will go for hit our D level because it enter our channel again. You may find a pullback, and let's see D hour. Have to increase this D, and our target is to D level. Then we will sell this pair GBP CAD. And if you see this, our target to around 1.75 level. At present, it is 1.73. So my first target is 1.74 at 75 level for this pair, and I expect to move around D level, and mm, I will find this correction around this level, and then I will take this buy again. And if it fall, we will buy from there again. Well, let's finish with Euro GBP, and we take buy from there, and price goes almost 120 pips and touch 50 moving average and pull back. So we will wait for correction again. Then we will take our buy setup again. So price, if price cross again a 50 moving average, we will buy from there. Otherwise, we will take our sell setup. But selling is the not group option from there. So we will wait for a correction. Then we will take our buy setup again for this pair. So guys, this is our technical and fundamental analysis. So you may put your own decision for this pair. We have a forecast, and you will trade for your own decision. Thank you for watching, and join our Telegram channel for